Namaskar, this is Seshadri, your level advisor, corporate trainer, past IC member. Thank you. I am happy to meet you through this video. In this video, Cabinet has approved employment linked incentive scheme. In that topic only we are going to see, we are going to understand completely what is that incentive scheme, who is eligible, how it is, we can get the money, all the details you will be getting through this video. Please watch it till end and then please share to our HR fraternity so that they will be getting the knowledge. Let us understand how the incentive scheme is going to help us. So the beneficiary, there are two schemes in this employment linked incentive scheme. It was announced in 2024-25 budget itself. Now only it is implemented. In that there are two schemes. Earlier when it was in that budget when it was announced, that is different. There are three schemes, then terms and condition also something different. Now the approval is given in that way. There is a two scheme, scheme A and scheme B. Scheme A, first timers will get the incentive. Who is first timers? Who is getting the job first time. That means after completion of graduation, whatever the education, they are coming to the job. That time they will be enrolled in EPF. That is PF, they will be enrolled and they will become a PF member. For those people, those who are all enrolling in PF first time, for the scheme A, that is incentive will be given to the directly to the people who are coming for the job. So to generate more job through this incentive. There is a scheme B. Scheme B to whom employees are coming first timers. Who will give the job? Employer has to give. For the employer has to give, for them also there is an incentive. For employers to give employment, there is an incentive. So employer also going to get the incentive by the scheme B. Two scheme. Scheme A is for first timers. Scheme B is for the employers. What is the period? There are 2 years. All the sector you will get incentive in that way. First timers and employers. 2 years from 1st August 2025 till 31st July 2027 we are going to get. In addition, 2 years extended to manufacturing sector. We will see the details next. Then we will understand each scheme clearly. Scheme A, already we have seen. This is for first timers. This is applicable to first timers who are enrolling into EPFO first time. In between, we are between the date 1st August 2025 till 31st July 2021, who are all joining first time in EPF. Next, what is about what benefit they are going to get means they will be getting the amount, that is cash benefit. They are going to get like 15,000 rupees, or their first month PF wages is less than 15,000, that much. What is their first month PF wage? Either 15,000 or whatever the PF wage, whichever is less, they are going to get. Then how, when they will get? Will they get on the joining or before joining? No, they have to complete minimum 6 months in the service. Then only they will get the first installment. So it will be paid in 2 installments. First installment they will get after completion of 6 months service. Second installment after completion of 12 months service, plus they have to complete the financial literacy program also. They have to complete. Based on what is financial literacy program, they will announce shortly. So 2 installment they are going to get after joining 6 months and after joining, that is 12 months, after completion of 12 months. How the pay, how they will get the money? The employer will give, or they have to go and claim? No, it will be directly, it will be deposited in the bank account through Aadhaar based. Aadhaar based, that is Aadhaar is linked with the bank accounts. So directly it will be paid. Not only that, some portion of this incentive, whatever the incentive they are getting, it will be deposited as a fixed deposit. So that in future they will get benefit for that portion of that amount will be deposited in fixed deposit. Any cap is that all the people are in allowed? No. Their salary is, if it is up to 1 lakh, then only they are eligible for this scheme A to get the 15,000 or first month PF, whichever is less. So their salary should be less than 1 lakh when they join first time in the organization. This is about scheme A. What is scheme B? So scheme B is for employers. Already we have seen. So scheme B is going to be paid to the employers who are giving job. How they will be identified? Then scheme B is applicable to employers who are giving employment. They have to give more employment. More employment means how you will classify. Yes, there is a base strength will be there. That base strength usually this last month, that is from August, this benefit is going to start. The before month is July, that is this month, July 2025. What is the strength? How many employees are in your PF? PF is your, based on that, the higher amount, how much you are adding the people. If you are making additional employment, additional members in PF, then you are eligible. How many members I have to add for to get the eligibility? Very clear, very simple. If your present strength is 49 or up to 49, less than 50, then you need to add minimum 2 people. Then what will become? Your strength will become 51. 49 if it is your strength, 2 if you are adding, it will become 51. Then 52nd person, if you are adding 52nd person in your role, then 52nd person onwards, you will get this incentive. If your strength is more than 50, 51, 200, like that, mean you need to add minimum 5%. 5 members you have to add in your ECR, that is PF on road. Then after that, so after 6th members, that is 6th member onwards, the incentive is eligible for you. My strength is 200. I have to add first 5 people. Then 205. My strength has become 205. 206th member onwards, I will get this incentive. So I am going to get, if I am employing 206 onwards, 206, 210, like that. If I am employing 210 in this example, so I will get for 5 people who are joined after 205, all the 5 people are for them, the employer will get the benefit. How much? How much employer is going to get per person? If the wage, 206th person's wage or 207th person wage, so based on the wage, the incentive amount will be decided. If the employees who are eligible for this scheme, then their EPF wage is 10,000, then 1,000 rupees for them incentive will be given. If it is less than 10,000, pro rata basis, that will be given. For example, 9,000 means 900, 8,000 means 800 will be given. If it is more than 10,000 as well as less than 20,000, up to 20,000 means the incentive will be 2,000 rupees. If the EPF wage is more than 20,000 up to 1 lakh means, then 3,000 rupees will be paid as an incentive. So it varies based on the EPF wage. If it is less than or up to 10,000, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 to 20,000, 2,000 rupees, 20,000 and above, 3,000 rupees. So any cap is there? Because there should be some restriction. Already we have seen we have to give more employment, we have to generate more employment. In addition to that, the person who are eligible person is joining, in our example 206th person onwards, they have to work in our organization minimum 6 months. Then only we can avail this incentive. Otherwise we will not get this incentive. So the employee should continue minimum 6 months. Stability also very, very important. Manufacturing sector, yes, they will get additional benefit 2 years. The same scheme will be extended another 2 years, that means up to 31st July 2029. The scheme is applicable for the people who are working in the manufacturing sector. The employers will get 2 more years up to 2029. Then how the incentive will be paid? Scheme A we have seen, the incentive will be paid to the Aadhaar linked bank account directly to the employee. Then employer PAN linked account, there is a link PAN linked with the bank account. In that account number, the incentive will be paid. As of now, whatever the cabinet approval information, based on that, this has been presented. In addition, EPFO will release the circular, the rules, how to follow, what to do, everything. As soon as it comes, I will update you. Keep circulating this video to everyone so that they will get the clear picture. Thank you for watching this video.